Hi friends, today we'll discuss what is audit log, audit trail, transaction log in banks, and what is the importance of the audit log. So audit log is the records providing the information about the accessing the system. Yes, the operators, authorized users accessing the system and particular during the day how many times he is logged in, logged out. So these are useful and these will be recorded in the audit log, and audit log also useful for the recovery of the lost transaction. So maybe due to the power failure some transactions may be not updated, but all these transactions will be in the audit log. So these can be recovered and it can be posted in the system so that all the entries will be as per the all the ledgers will be accounts will be tallied. So meaning, so what is the meaning of Outlook? A chronological record of system activities, including records of the system access and operations performed by the given period. One user, so system access and whatever transactions he performs in a particular period. It may be 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, or within 1 hour. So this is called audit log. So purpose. So these are the document evidence. Tomorrow he says I am not updated. Tomorrow he says this loan sanction I have not completed. When you are giving your user ID and you are entering your password, then if you are authorizing the transaction, so it will be a document evidence, and unauthorized user access also it can be restricted through audit log. So maintenance. So whatever the audit trail documents, so including the whatever the financial transactions posted by the user, changes by whatever the changes done, the master data, approvals, whatever the approvals you have given with the timestamp, date, IP address, user login credential, everything will be maintained. Trail document should be maintained, and these document should be maintained for a period which decided by the government of India as per the rules, and these policies should be approved by the board of directors also. So what is transaction log and what is audit log? Transaction log means capturing all the changes to data. So financial data, customers information, customer transactions, uh, doing transactions by the end users will be the transaction log. Audit log will be like whatever the capturing changes to like security, login information, so system activity, all this will come in the audit log. So example for the transaction log: modification of nominee details for account, modification of customer's date of birth, cash deposit in customer's account, fund transfer, fund opening of a fixed deposit, all will come under transaction log. So audit log will be user creation, user deletion, user will become inactive, then you activate the user, change the password, default password, system login, logout, all this will come under audit log. So all the activities you put it in a chronological order, this is called audit trail. So when the user is logged into the system, when he has changed the password, when log out, once again log in, then updated some customer data, then posted some transactions and approved some bills, then log out. So all this will come under audit trail. So types of audit will be external audit. It will be conducted by the people not associated with your company. These are external people. Internal means independent department in your organization, they will audit. So this is called internal audit. IRS audit will be, so there should not be any deviation, deducting the TDS or paying the GST, collecting and paying to the government. All those things as per the tax laws, whether it is happening or not, it will be reported. So this audit will be done by IRS. Why these audit log, all this important? So it's used to verify the validate financial software and business transactions by tracking the selected user activities or accounting financial statement amounts back to the transaction event source data access used modify records. So everything is important. So if you are creating an event, if you are doing a transaction, you are approving a transaction, you are modifying a record, modifying a master data, you are updating some value in a record, all these things should be important to capture. So these will be covered under the audit trail. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends. and please comment